Welcome viewers, welcome to Craft and Design. I hope you all will be enjoying my videos. Are you ready to turn those empty plastic bottles into stunning and eco-friendly creations? In this video, we will explore a variety of inspiring DIY plastic bottle craft ideas that will unleash your creativity and transform waste into beautiful and practical items. From home decor to functional accessories, these projects will not only help reduce plastic waste but also add a unique touch to your space for home decoration. One popular DIY plastic bottle craft idea is creating a beautiful flower vase. By cutting and reshaping plastic bottles, you can design unique and eye-catching vases that can hold your favorite flowers. Add a touch of paint, glitter, or even decoupage to customize your vases and make them truly one of a kind. These plastic bottles vases are not only both friendly but also an eco-friendly alternative to traditional glass vases. Another exciting project is transforming plastic bottles into colorful and whimsical hanging planters. Cut the bottles into various shapes and sizes and add drainage holes and hang them using ropes or chains. Fill them with soil and your favorite plants or herbs. You will have a stunning vertical garden that adds a touch of greenery to any indoor or outdoor space. If you're looking to add a creative and artistic touch to your home, consider making plastic bottles wall art. Cut the bottles into different shapes and arrange them in a pattern or design of your choice. Paint them in vibrant colors or leave them transparent to create a stained glass effect when the sunlight shines through. This DIY projects allows you to upcycle plastic bottles into unique pieces of art that can be displayed in your living room, bedroom, or even outdoors. For those who love to accessorize, plastic bottles can be transformed into stylish and trendy jewelry pieces. Cut the bottles into small shapes, paint them, and add decorative elements such as beads, skins, or charms. String them together to create bracelets, necklaces, or earrings that are not only fashionable but also sustainable. These plastic bottle accessories are a great way to showcase your creativity while promoting eco-conscious fashion. When working with plastic bottles for your DIY projects, it's important to practice proper safety measures. Use sharp scissors or craft knife to cut the bottles and be mindful of your fingers. Ensure the bottles are thoroughly cleaned and dry before starting your project and avoid any odor or contamination. Remember to recycle or properly dispose of any unused plastic pieces. To personalize your DIY plastic bottle crafts, consider experimenting with different techniques and materials. Use heat to shape the plastic, create textures with hot glue, or combine plastic bottle pieces with other materials such as fabric or paper. Let your imagination guide you as you explore new ways to upcycle and repurpose plastic bottles. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful and useful DIY craft and designs for your home decoration. Thank you so much for watching this video.